No. Just stand still. Just stand still.
Can I please play my Game Boy, Dad?
I think it's going to stop. I think it's going to clear up.
Yeah, the forecast is for partial clearing, so actually this could work out really well. Because we've had some drenching showers, and it'll kind of wash away that moisture.
মোট বেশি আসতেছে কিছু
Yes.
Oh, they're gone?
Yeah.
Oh,
They've gone.
so really
It's going to be nice, pretty clean. It's going to be a good first Friday.
কি করতে কোথায় যাচ্ছি আজকে সিধা গ্র্যান্ড ক্যানিয়ন
signature Lancome cosmetic.
Baladio Caesar's Palace. আমাদের ট্যাক্সিলে এই রোডে দিয়ে গেছে এখানে হয়তো জেনারেল ওই যে সিধে প্যালেস না
পাশের বিল্ডিংয়ে যেহেতু $5 লাগছিল এই ফাউন্টেনটা আমাদের দেখা যাচ্ছে
শোটা
প্লেজার ফাউন্টেনে দেখা হয়ে গেল মোটামুটি দেখেছি সবই আমরা উইনটাই বাদ রয়ে গেল
কোনটা উইন এই এখন যাওয়ার সময় দেখা যাবে
না এখানে ভিতরে তো যেতে পারবো
ভিতরে কি আছে বললো
ভিতরে কি আছে বসে বসে রাত্রিবেলা ফিরে একটা ট্রলি নিয়ে উইনে আসলে
He will not use the $3,000 he got from disgraced Mark Howley back in the 1990s. Henson says he's donating more.
আবার কি দেবে নাকি আমাদের আবার করতেছে
না
Speaking of the competition, we welcome the competition. We welcome Atlantic City. We welcome North Dakota. Man. We welcome the Mississippi River. Because folks, if you've ever been to any of those other places, you can't wait to get back to Las Vegas. We've been doing it right here for a long time, and we have the weather that they don't have. We also don't have bugs that you can ride. Ugh.
はい、皆さん今通過しているのがブラックキャニオンです。左手に見えてるレイクビード、アメリカで一番大きな人工湖で、日本の琵琶湖が7点も入れる広さです。今見えた部分はだいたい3分の1ぐらいのサイズで、ずっと山の後ろ側にも続いてます。でこのレイクミードの水は全てコロラド州のロッキーマウンテンからの雪解けになってます。
MEAT
このブラックキャニオンで今道路工事してまして、フーバーダムのこの地域からなりますと、こういう風景がどんどん見えてきまして、でブラックマウンテンはこの岩がとても特徴で、砂漠の中でもこういう岩のしっかりしてる山。
Okay, folks, we have officially entered Black Canyon. This is where Hoover Dam was built. Over the years, there's been some controversy as to the name of Hoover Dam. It was originally dedicated as Boulder Dam by President Roosevelt, who just couldn't see it upon himself to name it after another president who, of course, was in the other political party. So his reason of thinking was, well, it was supposed to be built in Boulder Canyon, so I'll call it Boulder Dam. Well, in fact, Boulder Canyon was found to be unsuitable. It was built here in Black Canyon, and it took an act of Congress in 1947 to change the name to Hoover Dam. Now, from this point forward, everything has the word dam in front of it. We're going to the dam. We're riding on the dam bus. I, of course, am your dam driver. You, of course, are the dam... Oops. My boss tells me I can't say that anymore. You're our valued customers. But we're going to see the dam police, the dam rangers, the dam security guards. If you take a look to the right, you see a little windy road. That's the dam road that the dam workers take to dam work every day. Everything's got a dam in front. Please, please, please just remain seated. These guards, we kid along with them, but they do take their jobs very seriously, and that is a good thing. And so far, they haven't done any body cavity searches yet.
California 66%.
Now you're seeing a lot of construction going on. They are building a new road and a new bridge that is going to cross the Colorado River south of Hoover Dam. You can see all the pillars for it here. And this road and bridge was originally supposed to be built in the 1990s with our new parking structure and visitor center. Congress took away the money for the road and the bridge, and then after 9/11 restored it. Now as we come around this curve affectionately known as the Widowmaker, you'll be able to see the Colorado River making its way downstream towards Lake Mojave. You might see some rafters or some kayakers or some power boaters down there. Now I want you to take a look out the front windshield. I want you to take a look at this power tower directly in front of us. I want to know what that guy was drinking the night before he designed this thing. Boy, that must have been a rough night. Wouldn't mind having a little hair of that dog right now. But considering they're all that way, maybe he did it on purpose, huh? Maybe to keep the power lines from rubbing on the canyon walls on the way up from the power station. It's just a thought. Coming up on my left is the new parking structure, and on my right is the new visitor center. Together, they costed more and took longer to build than the dam did. Oh, and this bridge that we're on right now, they just built this to help straighten out the road a little bit. But when we get over to the other side over there, I want you to take a look back and see what's holding up this bridge. You might not want to come back across. Coming up on my left are the Winged Angels, a dedication to the workers who built Hoover Dam. They say if you rub the toes, it'll bring you good luck, and you can see how shiny the toes are from people rubbing them. They say if the wings flap, it means you're a virgin. I rubbed the toes the other day. The darn thing wanted to get up and fly away. As we cross over Hoover Dam, we cross from Nevada into Arizona, and from Pacific Time Zone into Mountain Time Zone. You don't need to reset your watches. This time of year, both clocks say the same time because Arizona does not believe in daylight savings time. Coming up on my left will be the Arizona side overflow. Back behind me is the Nevada side overflow. These overflows have only been used twice. Once in 1939 as a test, and then again in 1981 when one of our fine employees at the Bureau of Reclamation underestimated the snow runoff, which meant that these overflows had to be used. Which meant that Davis Dam, which holds back Lake Mojave, had to open up its floodgates. Which meant that Parker Dam, which holds back Lake Havasu, had to open up its floodgates. And in the process flooded out most of the Imperial Valley of Southern California, as well as parts of Baja California. The water comes over this trough here to my left, then it comes to this large tube over here on my right. And if anybody's brave, I've got a skateboard underneath the bus if you want to try your luck down that little baby. I had some kids on board the other day. They go, yeah, man, that would be tubular. You know, as kids growing up, we all had our own little suicide hills. Mine was at Sheer Park in Long Beach, California. Only our skateboards had metal wheels on them. Uh-oh, now I'm dating myself. Sometimes they even had little wooden boxes on the front. We called them scooters. Now I'm going to go about 2/3 of the way up the hill here and pull over into the parking lot and allow you all to step off and take a nice photo of Hoover Dam.
There's a tree.
Oh. चलो हम बैठ जी
Boy, did you get lucky. Here in the town of Williams, Route 66 is two one-way roads, one going east and one going west. So we're going to go eastbound for just a few minutes. We're going to head over to Chicago. And folks, it hasn't changed too much over the years. Looks pretty much the same as it did 70 years ago.
はい、皆さん今通ってるのが Route 66 です。シカゴからサンタモニカまで出るアメリカのオリジナルのハイウェイで、左手に見えてるのが Diners っていうレストランで、ここで Viva Las Vegas っていう映画がロケーションに使われました。
আমেরিকার প্রথম হাইওয়ে শিকাগো থেকে সান্টা মনিকা পর্যন্ত।
ক্যালিফোর্নিয়া।
Now then, as we make our way back towards the interstate, we're going to go underneath the interstate. And once we do, we'll be on highway Arizona number 64, which will take us directly into the Grand Canyon National Park. The Desert Watch View Tower was completed, and in 1935, the Bright Angel Lodge, which will be our second scenic viewpoint, was completed. The Grand Canyon is one of the 7 natural wonders of the world. So that means today you'll have seen one of the 7 natural wonders of the world and one of the modern man-made wonders of the world, Hoover Dam. Now all you got to do is go check out one of the ancient wonders of the world, such as the Roman Colosseum or the pyramids in Egypt. Oh wait, you can do that in Las Vegas!
There. Oh, that's not fair.
Jake, wait. Stop right there. Over here. Over here.
Now you quit on here. Huh? Is this supposed to be the crater? It doesn't look like a crater.
그쵸, 그러니까요.
Moi, je leur pense qu'on voit que j'étais là en vacances. You coming up, Brett?
Every time it snows and the snow melts, water takes pieces of rock and dirt on the sides of the canyon. Every time water freezes in the crack of a rock and expands and pushes that rock outward, and eventually that rock falls, we have more side coming down. Every time a slope erodes and the cliff falls in, the canyon getting wider and wider and wider. Now, I mentioned at the beginning of this program that before I understood geology, I didn't have as much appreciation for what I was seeing in Grand Canyon. You have come here at the very perfect place. Where you see, if you come 6 million years earlier, you would see that over there, something that building. That's even now the same is wider, deeper.
차 도로가 있는 거는 여기만 있는 거예요. 우리가 아까 이어진 데가 여기까지 여기서 나가는 거예요. 그래서 우리 여기가 셔틀로 다니는 데고, 우리 여기 있고, 다 그래서 이제 시간 타임별로 지금 만들어주니까 저걸 찍어버려야 되는 거야. Very
দেখো এখন রোদ্র উঠছে, বাট সি দ্য গ্র্যান্ড ক্যানিয়ন ফুল অফ ফগ। Go ahead, please. What's that? হ্যাঁ চলো দেখছো ওইখানে যে দাঁড়ানো যেত আনফর্চুনেটলি দেখো কি অবস্থা
আমরা সবাই শীতে কাঁপতেছি ভিজে আছি সে বললো দেয়ার বি ফায়ার প্লেস তো সে অথচ ফায়ার প্লেস আমি তো সেখানে এরকম শয়তানি করতেছে বাজ ভর্তি যে
চিন্তা করে কি সুন্দর একটা ভিউ পাওয়া যেত না এখান থেকে
He's just a bus driver. He doesn't know everything.
Dad, be careful you don't drop that camera because if you do, you'll never get it back again.
চলো দেখতে বলতে একটু সূর্যের মুখ দেখলাম তো এখানে আর বৃষ্টি নাই
কিন্তু তো দেখতে পেলাম না দেখি ভিতরে দাঁড়ায় একটা হট কফি খেয়ে যাওয়ার আগে আবার একবার এসে দেখে যাবো না যে ফগটা সরছে কিনা
ওই রেস্টরুম তো
হট চকলেট খাবো
এই যে এখন এই কি সুন্দর ইয়ে হয়ে যাচ্ছে সরে যাচ্ছে ওটা কি নর্থ স্ট্রিম দেখা যায় না
Oh, no way. Well, I'll wake you up if you make me up first.
They're crazy on mine.
লোনটা ভিন্ন দেখছো to adjust the environment. You can
Are you going home tomorrow?
Oh, it's our school.
Where are you staying? Oh, is that fun for kids? Oh, man.
So you're getting the experience of standing inside a maze instead of cloud. Cloud is moving over here, enveloping the baby squirrel is there. The baby there.
দেখছো কত
面白いね
るように。
परत कळे ना
見える見える。あ、またかかるよ。風がピューッと吹いたらいいね。
また気がじゃない。
前来る？
いやいい。
おお、ほんとほんとほんとほんと。
取れるかこれ。
और ওইদিকে রিমটা দেখা যায়
わあ、すごい。
これ取ったら無理やね。
うん、いい。
これでさっきの重かもだよ。
うまいね。
Oh, ça peut être.
わあ、すごい。
うわ。
이제 볼다.
見た。おお。
こんだけ待ち焦がれて見えた方がいいと思う。
なんかおらへんの。
পিছনে গ্র্যান্ড ক্যানিয়ন দেখা যাচ্ছে না এখন দেখা যাচ্ছে পিছনে এখন পিছনে দেখা যাচ্ছে এই লড়ো না সরে না লোক চলে
Pull down trees.